Hi everyone, this is Jessie. Today I will show you how to embroider a cap from start to finish. For this tutorial, you will need cap station, cap hoop, cap driver, Allen wrench, tearaway stabilizer, clips, and a cap. Before we start, let's take a quick look at the embroidery area for caps. The maximum embroidery area is about 75 mm high by 280 mm wide, but you need to subtract 20 mm for the embroidery position and the cap brim. The actual usable embroidery area may vary depending on the cap style. Cap embroidery requires a design specifically digitized for caps. We recommend preparing your design beforehand or downloading a ready-made cap embroidery file. For today's demonstration, we are using a finished cap design, and we also print the color sheet in advance to make thread setup easier. First, mount the cap station onto the support bracket. Align the screws holes and tighten the screws securely. Align the cap hoop with the locking blocks on the cap station. Push it in until it locks into place. Once installed, give it a gentle shake to make sure it's secure. Now let's install the cap and the stabilizer. Since caps are relatively thick, tearaway stabilizer is usually all you need. Step 1. Cut a piece of stabilizer and place it underneath the cap hoop. Step 2. Place the cap onto the locating posts and pull it down firmly. Step 3. Secure the cap with the clips. Pull down the hold-down bar to lock everything in place. Make sure the cap is centered, smooth, and wrinkle-free. With the cap ready, let's load the design. Insert the USB drive into the machine. Select your cap design and it will appear on the embroidery screen. Before installing the cap driver, make sure there are no other hoop accessories on the guide rails. Open the Edit screen. Go to the hoop menu and select Cap 1. The machine will automatically switch to a cap mode and mirror the design correctly for cap embroidery. Now let's install the cap driver. Align the rollers underneath the cap driver with the guide rails beneath the rotary hook area. Push the cap driver firmly into place. Next, align the outer screw holes on both sides for the cap driver with the false holes on the machine rails. Tighten the screws to secure it. Now install the hoop cap onto the cap driver. Always install it from the side of the machine head. Align the 3 slots on the cap hoop with the 3 locking points on the cap driver. Press firmly until it clicks into the place. Once installed, gently move it back and forth to make sure it's securely attached. After installing the hoop, open the color setting page. Set the needle sequence according to your color chart. For example, if the first color is red and the red thread is loaded on needle 7, set the first color to needle 7. Repeat the process for the remaining colors. We will provide a separate video with more details on color setup and needle assignment. Next, let's position the design. Open the embroidery screen and select Normal Tracking. The machine will automatically move to needle 15 for positioning. Most embroidery designs use the center point as a starting position. Needle 15 represents the center of the design. Simply align needle 15 with the center of the cap to center the embroidery. If the design isn't positioned correctly, use the arrow keys to adjust it. Once needle 15 is aligned with the cap center, run tracking again to confirm the placement. Before starting embroidery, let's do a few final checks. Make sure the thread stand is fully raised. Check that the upper thread is threaded correctly. Verify that the thread tension is properly adjusted, since tension has a major impact on embroidery quality. We will provide a separate video covering tension adjustment in detail. Finally, check the bobbin installation. Install the bobbin counterclockwise and make sure that the thread passes through the pigtail guide correctly. Now we are ready to embroider. Tap Ready to enter working mode. Then tap Start Embroidery at the bottom of the screen. The machine will begin stitching your cap. Great embroidery results come from the right combination of design, tension, machine setup, and technique. Alright, in the future, we will teach you how to use the machine step by step. If you want to use the machine better, please like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching this video, and we will see you next time. Bye bye!